Now, the reason that is not working is if you go to the top up here, you'll see the Arduino plugin. We need to open this plugin so it can run. Reconnect back to the Arduino Uno. And now it will work. You'll even see up here to the side. And if you go back to the side, it'll have that plugin is open. Now, we've already verified it. We can upload this code to the Arduino, and we will see it working. Once we have the Arduino plugged into the computer, the LED and pin 13 and the ground, and we have the code written, now all that's left is for us to upload it. To upload it, we go to the code and the arrow forward, that's the upload button. We hit it. We'll see the initial flash, means it's uploaded. Now the program is running. To reset the code, making it start over, we'll hit the reset button. See it flash, means it started over. And now it is running the code over again. Blink on for a second, off for a second. On for a second, off for a second. All right. Now, in order for you to code the Arduino, there are actually a couple of ways you can do it. You can download the software as we spoke about earlier, or you can use the online editor. For the sake of these tutorials, I'm always going to use the online editor. You're going to go to Create Arduino, and it'll bring you to the main page. It looks like this. It'll give you options for Arduino Web Editor, getting started, and such. Now, if you've never used it, you're going to click on Getting Started. From here, the only thing we need to worry about is to set up the Arduino plugin. And the reason for this is so that we can communicate with the Arduino board while working online. If you click this, it'll walk you through it. If you have the plugin, you click I already have the plugin. But if you don't, most likely you don't, you hit next. And then this is just saying this is allowing us to communicate. You'll download the plugin. You'll see the download go into your downloads. It'll start working, and it'll also start searching for that download. Now what it's downloading is over here to the right. You see Arduino Create Agent. That's just allowing us to communicate. Once that is open, we can click open on it and then double click on the actual folder and it will start running the installer. Click open and then we can install. Now mine's already installed, so I'm not going to run through that. You'll continually hit next until it is open and then you'll be ready to go. So once we're good with that, we can just go back to the main page here, the Arduino Create page, and it'll open us up to the sketch, Arduino Web Editor, and there's different sketches. Now this particular sketch is already opened on mine, but for you, we're going to create a new one. So you'll come up here to the new sketch, click that, and now we'll have a new sketch. Now some of the items that always come up are this void setup and this void loop. Those are the two parts that we always need. Anything before this, right here where it's highlighted, it's called the declaration part. We'll worry about that later. But for now, we're going to type in a very, very simple program to turn this light on. Underneath void setup, we're going to just say pin mode. And we're going to use LED built in. And then comma. And then this is an output, meaning that it's going to output data versus take in data. Now within the loop, in order to make our light that we've already set up turn on, we're going to use digital write. Notice there's a capital W, and in the pin mode there was a capital M. Those are very important. And we're going to use LED built in. This just refers to pin number 13 on the Arduino board. LED built in, and then high. High is the way to say turn on. Now, I forgot this above, but we need a semicolon pretty much after every statement. And then we're going to use a delay function, 1,000 milliseconds, digital write again, LED built in, and low. This turns it back off, semicolon, delay, just so we can see it work, semicolon, and we're ready to go. Okay, that's our code. Now, and up here in the top it says select board or port. We're going to go down and you'll have to select the actual controller that you have. I'm using the Arduino Uno. This is the most common one, so that's what we're going to use in this video.